Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a creamy coconut chicken in just 30 minutes. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now I've just taken a couple of chicken breasts here and I'm just going to butterfly them through so that they're all the same thickness, which makes it easier for cooking. Now if you don't like chicken breasts or you don't have any, you can obviously use chicken thighs for this recipe. They do go really well with it. So now that our chicken's butterflied, we're going to cover it with some Cajun seasoning. I just had a little bit of dried stuff here, and then I'm going to add some more Cajun seasoning later in. Just flip it over and get both sides done. Again, that was the end of the jar, so I'm just going to add some other of the seasoning to it. Now we're going to go over to our cooker and we'll take a large frying pan and we'll spray it with some low-calorie cooking oil. Then we're going to add our chicken breast to it and we'll just cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until the chicken is fully cooked through. Slip them over again, cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make more videos for you. Once they're fully cooked, we'll remove them and put them on a plate, just keep them to the side. Now in the same pan we're going to add some more cooking oil. And to that then we're going to add a diced onion and some diced peppers. Now to our onion and pepper mix, we're going to add some black pepper, some ground coriander, some ground cumin, and some ground turmeric. Just give that a quick stir around, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until the spices start to go fragrant and the onions start to soften. Now we're going to add our coconut milk. Again, give that a quick stir around, bring it to a boil, then we'll turn it down to a simmer and we'll let it cook for 15 minutes. As you can see, the sauce is starting to thicken, so now we're going to add our chicken. Just put your chicken breast back into the sauce. Don't forget the juices from the plate, they're full of flavour. Now we'll cover the chicken in the sauce. Bring that to a boil and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, just until the chicken's warmed again. So I'm using my thermometer just to make sure that the chicken's over 75 degrees centigrade and just to make sure that it's fully cooked. Now that our chicken's fully cooked and our sauce is thickened, it's time to serve our coconut chicken. So I've just served mine with some boiled basmati rice. Take the chicken breast, pop it on top, and then just cover it in the sauce. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel, and I'll see you in my further videos. And thanks for watching.